Yeah. Science project majorly aimed towards the last glacial maximum to predict and reconstruct the conditions. The structure of climate are the key findings from the climate are as follows. The glacial covers the glacial covers of Earth was about 10% of the Earth's area today. and during LGM it was 30%, and 85% of the world's area covered by glacier ice is accounted by Antarctica and 11% by Greenland. Now during the LGM, the Antarctica was accounted for over only 30%, and all the other area was spread across the earth, mainly in the Asia and Australia and Europe and Britain. So the average global temperature was about 6 degrees colder than today. The average global temperature today is around 15 degrees Celsius, so it was 9 degrees Celsius at that time. So my group member will continue from here.
So yeah, let's focus on how large were the ice sheets during the LGM. So glaciers covered 30% of Earth's land, about 40 million square kilometers, and even extended over oceans, especially in the northern hemisphere. And the Laurentide ice sheets in Northern America was up to 3,000 meters thick, while in the Scandinavian ice sheets in Europe was 2 to 3 kilometers thick. And these ice sheets reached far. The Laurentide extended to present-day New York, and the Scandinavian covered the UK, Scandinavia, and parts of northern Europe. Sea levels were 120 to 130 meters lower, and global temperatures were about 6 degrees colder, drastically altering the environment. And post-LGM, as the ice sheets melted, the sea levels rose, reshaping coastlines and leading to the warmer world we know today. On the left, the map shows the vast North American ice sheet covering much of the Canada and parts of the northern US. And in the top right map, that is the thick ice, which is simulated by Climate Project, shows an ice sheet mostly 2 to 3 kilometers thick, with some areas exceeding 3 kilometers. And the bottom map, which is the thin ice, shows a more recent reconstruction suggesting a thinner ice sheet, mostly in the 1 to 2 kilometer range. And during the last glacial maximum, dust and dirt played crucial roles in shaping the environment. With vast ice sheets and reduced vegetation, more land was exposed, leading to increased dirt and dust in the atmosphere. Glaciers grinding against rocks produced glacial flour, a fine sediment that easily became airborne. The colder climate resulted in stronger winds, particularly in mid-latitude, spreading in dust across continents and oceans. The dust affected the environment by darkening ice sheets, potentially speeding up melting, and by depositing nutrients in oceans, which impacted marine life and global climate. During the last glacial maximum, sand dunes were much more widespread compared to today. While today's dunes are mainly found in deserts, LGM dunes covered larger areas across Africa, the Middle East, Australia, and parts of South America. The colder, drier climate and stronger winds during the LGM expanded arid regions and mobilized sand, creating extensive dune fields. The LGM dunes extended beyond current desert boundaries, reaching even Europe and America. These changes significantly affected ecosystems, vegetation, and human migration patterns.
So far, we have examined only the physical aspects of the LGM. But we also know that living organisms existed, and we also have a story to tell. One initiative to decode the climate using biotic data is Project COMAP, or Cooperative Holocene Mapping Project, in the 1980s. The project involved creating climate models based on the historical boundary conditions such as CO2 levels and ice sheets, and comparing the results with geologic records from around the world, such as the pollen records and the lake sediments. The comparison model versus the fossil records helped in confirming the reliability of this method. Pollen as climate indicators. The pollen produced by vegetation is preserved in lake sediments and can be carbon dated. Thus, changes in pollen abundance and type can tell us about the climate at the time. For example, prairie pollen indicates dry herbs and grasslands. Spruce pollen indicates cold and wet environments, whereas oak pollen is associated with warmer and humid climates. As an example, we will study a carbon-dated core found near Minnesota. Most of the pollen recovered from the older layers were spruce pollen, which indicates that the the colder conditions than today. An abrupt switch to oak pollen around 10,000 years ago indicates a rapid warming in the region. Post this, there have been changes in the grass and herb pollen around 6,000 years ago, which indicates a drier climate than that is today. Data model comparison usually focuses on distribution of pollen at specific geographic regions. Biome models use this principle to estimate the vegetation that would have been present in different regions. The method is carried out in two steps. First, the broad temperature and precipitation constraints are used to narrow down the vegetation major types in the area, and second, the surviving vegetation compete for natural resources that are necessary for growth and reproduction. Because because the first step in biome method includes all major vegetations, this approach can simulate changing vegetation patterns anywhere on the earth.
Hi, I'm Aman. I will discuss about data model comparison during LGM and the climate changes in different regions. So firstly, the jet stream during LGM moved southward, altering global wind patterns. Due to the influence of Pacific air, Alaska was warmer in the LGM, unlike today's Arctic air dominance. And in contrast, Scandinavian countries were colder. Like the temperature now is milder, but then they were colder. There was less warmth from Atlantic Ocean due to southward shift of jet stream, and extensive ice coverage was there in North America and Eurasia, which heavily influenced wind and temperature patterns. Now I will discuss about the impact of northern ice sheet. First was ocean cooling. Largest cooling in North Atlantic was observed, with sea surface temperature near freezing. There was North Atlantic drift. Warm currents clashed with cold water near the ice sheet, and ice sheet floated above it, enhancing cooling. There was high deposition rates of ice rafted debris from the melting icebergs. The sea temperature and IID patterns highlight the extent and influence of northern ice sheet. The colder and wetter conditions during LGM led to the filling of hundreds of basins with the water, which led to lake formation in western US. One of the largest lakes located in present-day Utah is Lake Bonneville. The southward movement of jet stream brought more precipitation, aiding in lake formation. Thus, extensive lake altered the landscape of western US during the LGM. Now, I will come to the elm pollen distribution in the US, southeastern US. What we observed was sparse localized pollen, like there was very less vegetation, but our model simulated results were greater than 5%, which indicated widespread pollen distribution. So our model significantly overestimates the distribution. Now coming to the European vegetation. Now in the modern climate, there are diverse forests across Europe, but in the LGM, forests confined to southern Europe during the LGM, and the north central Europe mostly was treeless,
You have 1 minute now.
containing tundra and steppe. So coming to northern Asia, the northern Asia was mostly treeless, while the southern has limited vegetation, and the climate during the winter has strong monsoon winds blowing across the region, with lower temperature forcing permafrost and tundra, and ice sheets covered the region mostly.
So this slide represents that the glacial conditions in Australia and South America. So what we see is a general pattern that the winter storms are shifted towards south, and so the drier region sets up in the mainland, but there's a small opening of winter storms where the wetter region is in South America. This basically shows that they were the moist air from the oceans that traveled back towards the land, giving it the rainy season. And now the how cold were glacial tropics. So the two reasons that the greenhouse gases were absent, so that did not help the heat get contained in the atmosphere. So the ice which were present on the earth, they induced regional cooling. So the general temperature of earth was quite lower compared to today. And the solar radiation also was being reflected by the ice, which also contributed towards less heating and more cooling. Now changes in the plankton fauna. So there are two types of plankton: zooplankton and phytoplankton. Sorry. And so these planktons, they are very sensitive to temperature changes. So while studying them, this induced.
Can you please not talk and listen? This is a part of the course actually. This topic. not this presentation, but I'll teach this topic. This is important. Please listen.
So the planktons are very sensitive to temperature changes, and by studying them, we got an idea of how the temperature changed during the last glacial maximum period. Now, the second study was conducted in a tropical Indian Ocean, and so they were the CLIMAP study, and then there was Alkyones study, which were alkyones are the compounds which are released. Alkenones are the compounds which are released by the planktons, and so the temperature changes showed that the cooling of 0 to -4 degree during the LGM, and the data consistent across different latitudes of 25 degrees south to 25 degree north, showing the consistency of cooling in the tropical areas.
Okay, thank you.
This is
We'll
one.
conclude this.
So coming to the conclusion, so there were two discrepancies here. The CLIMAP, it suggested that the tropical cooling was around 1 to 2 degrees Celsius, but the recent study conducted showed that the change was at least 5 degrees Celsius, so which was a contradicting view to the CLIMAP study. And coming to the conclusion that the study of LGM gives us an idea about how we can monitor the greenhouse gas levels and other climatic factors that could affect our coming future.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And these were the appendixes and the references which we used.
Yeah. Okay, any questions? Questions for them? Quickly. So I like the idea how you've used Rudiment's book. So, you know, that's like the first go-to for all of you. So all the topics are covered in that book. So I liked how you've taken the pictures from there and put in here. And also the fact that you discuss their impacts. One thing that was missing, the book is written by a North American professor. So all the climate intervals that you take are all focusing on North America, Europe. When I teach, you would see that I also talk about Southeast Asia and how it impacts India. Did you do any research on what were the conditions like in India during the ISGM or Indian
There
subcontinent,
was a
Southeast
research
Asia?
about the
The
Indian
El
Ocean.
Quinone one. So it's not so much of the temperature that changed in Southeast Asia or in the tropics, it was the monsoon. Do you have any idea what was the monsoon or hydroclimatic conditions like during
Like
LGM?
the winter have strong monsoon winds, unlike today.
When we say monsoon, is it summer or winter? What is the monsoon season? Monsoon months batao.
After
Before
summer.
the
Before winter.
Months.
August, September.
अभी monsoon चल रहा है?
अभी monsoon.
चल रहा है ना?
Yeah.
So when did it start?
July,
July.
June, July.
JJAS, June, July, August, September. So not the winter so much, but what was the monsoon rainfall? What would have been like during the LGM? Did it reduce? कम हुआ होगा? ज़्यादा हुआ होगा? Any idea? Can you
Lesser,
now that?
Yes.
Why would you think so?
because the atmosphere was overall drier than what it is today.
It was not very humid, so the rainfall, there was no source of
Actually,
precipitation.
it's the other way around. So it was less, yes, but it was because of the thermal contrast that is created. So it was the heat that was not there in the atmosphere. Right? The heat was there, so it's the
So the water
temperature.
did not evaporate from the
Yes.
oceans and
So
the
it's,
water.
I mean, water would still evaporate, but the contrast is not there. So it's the temperature that drives the evaporation, rather the evaporation. Okay, good. Next group, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. In the rush of the presentation, we forgot to wish you a very happy Teachers Day.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
इतना सब जल्दी
Thank
हो गया.
Oh,
I thought before it starts.
नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे ज़्यादा. Thank you.
मैम नंबर के लिए गिफ्ट लाना भूल गया हूँ.
अच्छा, उससे मिल जाएंगे जैसे नंबर. नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे किसी चीज़ के लिए. नहीं, but thank you.
टेम्परेचर का इशू है आपके रूम
Oh yeah, I got this. Oh, I got some email from Snehal. Did he got? No. Sahil, huh? Okay, you emailed, right? So where are the? So is there any other group who can present? Any other group?
I think we are supposed to go after.
You're supposed to. Okay, let them start. You can call them.
Have some work to do in EHM.
During class hours. This can be done after class hours, right? These are allocated class hours.
OCS officers only company understand. They will then break for lunch and then there will be lab.
Yeah, but lab is equally important as this. You're not getting credit for this course. NGO course, so you should be there. Why are these people sitting here? All of them have done this in OCS and GHM and whatnot, right? Any other group who would like to go next? जिनका नहीं हुआ है? Aradhi, yours is not done. Aradhi. Which one is yours? Which one? Acha, 4.2. Yeah. So where is your group is here? You can call them. Agar if you can arrange for another group, I'll not take you marks. Yeah, see if there is another group who can present. चलो तो पीछे तो आगे arrangement करो. Otherwise, नहीं, because ये लोग फिर क्या मतलब why are they coming? Right? I mean, you guys don't come for all the classes, not all the courses. But ये assignment के time पे तो मैंने बोला था कि specifically I've told that you should all be present. So then what's the point of them sitting there? So I'll give them marks and they'll cut you marks. But otherwise, this course is such where I check rather leniently. The question paper is very sort of easy, I think. Or फिर बाद में I get difficult for me to do relative marking.
So even the two of us who are present, we are marked to get it.
It's a group presentation. You need to arrange for a group to be here. Ask them to come. Message them.
व्हाट्सएप पर दिखाना स्क्रीन खोल देना
Una?
Extend the
There was an issue with the
laptop, so we are
हम रूम टेम्परेचर थोड़ा कम हो सकता है
room temperature कम कर यहाँ का
एक्चुअली मेरे को हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है तो डॉक्टर ने बोला कि 25 डिग्री से कम में रहना है
ओ नहीं ये तो शायद यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हो you can probably sit here fan I
ये
think AC
कंप्लेंट
is
किसको
not
भेजते हैं
working
ये कंप्लेंट किसको भेजते हैं ये वाला
हाँ
इसका कंप्लेंट किसको भेजा जाता है जो एसी ऑन कराता है
कंप्लेन कैसे भेजा जाता है I don't know actually let me talk to the LHC person
Good morning everyone. We are group 6 and we are going to present on the topic glaciers begin to retreat 18,000 years ago.
So, I'm teaching in third course. यार रूम में AC नहीं चल रहा है, कभी नहीं चल रहा है. अच्छा इस रूम में, अच्छा. लेकिन इस रूम में हमारे इसी वाले रूम में कम 3.4 है ये. हाँ, नहीं चल रहा है. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट कंप्लेन करें. अच्छा. हाँ फैन रखा है हाँ एक स्टूडेंट को प्रॉब्लम है इसलिए वो कंप्लेन कर रहा है मैंने कहा मैं पूछती हूँ अच्छा ठीक है तो उसको ठीक कर ये एक दो स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ हेल्थ इशू है तो वो मुझे बोल रहा है इसलिए मैंने कॉल किया था ठीक है
Alright.
Right, so this is not working on this side. So probably if you want, you can sit here in front of the fan. No?
नहीं इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना,
It's मतलब थोड़ा तो
वो ह्यूमिडिटी से भी फर्क पड़ जाता है। आज मेडिसिन लेके ख़त्म हो गई थी, टाइम से पहले मेडिसिन।
you can go if you want to. If you want to sit in somewhere like where you feel okay. नहीं हो रहा है? Last time.
लेने मत आना। नहीं, पानी लेने आएगा, पानी खाते हैं नहीं।
कट्टी बड़ी अलाउ नहीं है।
वहाँ पे दांत भी खा रहा है। आप पे काम करते हैं वो डांट के साथ बैठ के कर रहे हैं, 3 साल से वहाँ बैठ कर रहे हैं। वो बोतल लेके गए थे, मैंने देखा था खाली बोतल, वो मना कर रहे थे कहा पानी में तो बोतल लेके नहीं आ रहा, चल के आ रहा मतलब। आपको क्या करना है, पानी अंदर भरवाना है,
पानी भैया हमें यहाँ लाना घर के।
यहाँ से ऐसा अलाउड बिना आईडी वाले। वरना अगर लड़की तो अलाउड कर देंगे तो कुछ जाएगा। अब तो पानी चाहिए ना, मुझे रंकी में मिलता है, बोला था टाइम होता है भर लो ना, अब वो मना कर रहा है।